Namaskar, welcome to Exercise Explained. In this video, I would be doing question number 5, question number 6, and question number 7 of exercise 1A, Measurement and Experimentation, ICSE 9th Physics. The previous 4 questions have been done in a separate video, the link for which will be there in the description below. Do check that out. If you like the video, do share it with your friends and consider subscribing to the channel. Starting with the 5th question. The mass of an oxygen atom is, so the mass here is given as 16 atomic mass unit. U denotes atomic mass unit. We need to convert it to kg. So pretty simple calculations. So here I would be writing 1U. So 1U is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power of 27 minus 27 actually minus 27 kg. Now we have 16u, so 16u will be equal to 16 into 1.66 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kg. So we get it as 26 point, we get this as 26.56 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kg. Now we can leave our answer here, but if we wish to get to the textbook form, we'll have to divide and multiply by 10. So 26.56 divided by 10 multiplied by 10 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kg. Now this 10 in the denominator goes for converting 26.56 to 2.656 into this 10 here can be written as 10 to the power of plus 1. So 10 to the power of, we get it as 1 minus 27 and will be in kg. So we get it as 2.656 into 10 to the power of minus 26 kg. So was a simple problem. Getting into the next question, that is question number 6. It takes 8 minutes for light to reach from sun to earth. If the speed of light is taken to be 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second, find the distance. So distance we need to find. Time is given as 8 minutes. So this is not in SI unit. We need to convert it to SI unit. So that gives me 8 into 1 minute is 60 seconds. So 8 minutes will be 8 into 60 seconds. That gives me 480 seconds. So time is 480 seconds. Speed is given as 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. So we will be using speed is equal to distance by time formula. Speed is equal to distance divided by time. So from this formula we can write, since we need to find distance, distance will be equal to speed into time. So we can write distance is equal to speed is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 into time is 480. Now 480 into 3 gives us 1440 into 10 to the power of 8, and since it is in meters, so we have got it in meters here. So distance we have got to be 1440 into 10 to the power of 8 meters. So when we have to convert meter to kilometer, we divide by 1000. So distance will be equal to 1440 into 10 to the power of 8 divided by 1000, since we have to convert it to kilometers. So that gives me 1.44 into 10 to the power of 8 kilometer. So that would be our answer. As you can see here, the question had asked to get the distance in kilometers. Otherwise, we could have left it in meters itself. Getting to the next question, the distance of a star from Earth is 8.33 light minutes. What do you mean by this statement? Express the distance in meters. So light minute means distance traveled by light in 1 minute. So this is 8.33 light minutes. So let us understand how to convert this. So distance is given as 8.33 light minutes. So 1 light minute will be equal to speed of light, that is we will write speed of light into, we'll write it as 1 minute. So speed of light can be written as 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second into 1 minute in seconds is 60 seconds. This came from the formula distance is equal to speed into time. Distance is equal to speed into time, so that is how we got this. So we get it as 180 into 3 into 60 gives us 180. 6 3s are 18 and another 0 into 10 to the power of 8, and that will be in meters. So this is 1 light minute in meters. Now we need to convert, this is 1 light minute, we will write it here, this is 1 light minute. Now 8.33 light minute will be equal to 8.33 into 180 into 10 to the power of 8 meters. So 8.33 into 180 gives us 1499.4 into 10 to the power of 8 meters. Now, if we have to convert it, we have to shift the decimal to the left side 3 places. We can definitely leave it here. Otherwise, for shifting the decimal 3 places to the left, we will be doing 1499.4 divided by 1000, and since we divided by 1000, we will be multiplying also by 1000 into 10 to the power of 8. So 14994 gives us, divided by 1000 gives us 1.4994 into 1000 is nothing but 10 to the power of 3 into 10 to the power of 8. So we get it as 1.4994 into 10 to the power of 3 plus 8 gives us 11, and it will be in meters, which can be approximated as 1.5 into 10 to the power of 11 meters. So this completes this particular exercise, that is exercise 1A. Hope you guys have liked the video. Do share it with your friends and consider subscribing to the channel. Dhanyavad.